Hi guys, welcome again. Welcome to Let's Go. Guys, let's talk about the program Yaga Nandi. Yo guys, if you haven't watched this program, please start to watch it. Start to watch it because I think we're gonna learn a lot from this program. Guys, my heart broke. My heart broke throughout watching this program, this reality show Yaga Nandi, guys. Yo, guys, do you know that abuse towards men is real, and it's not even taken into consideration, but it's real. And there are men who are sitting in relationships and marriages who are being abused, and there's nothing that they are doing about it. They are just sitting there taking in everything that is happening. Guys, Nandi is abusing the husband like there is no tomorrow. Guys, Nandi and the husband were staying at the B&B. Remember, they don't have a place to stay. They were staying in a B&B with 6 children in one room. Staying there, Nandi called one of the, she says it's a distant cousin, and that distant cousin has got a house in Sandton. Nandi is so excited that they are moving to Sandton. Uchi soft life. This is the life that I'm supposed to be living. Excited that they are going to Sandton. The husband is stressed. The husband is stressed. Why? Husband uchi this life of moving from one place to the other. It's taking a toll on me as a man. And Kwanamanje Nandi made arrangement that we must go to Sandton and Abantwana. But the school, I think the school is in Bedford View. Manje, the husband is saying to Nandi, Nandi, we can't be moving to Sandton. Sandton is far. For the kids' transport, we're going to have to spend 500 Rand on trips to and fro. 500 Rand, 250 coming back, of which is the money that as a husband I don't have. Remember, Nandi's husband is not working. He says it's 2 years that I'm not working. I'm not working because remember, Nandi is the one who created problems. Lapa Esontweni, where the guy was a priest. Nandi went there, insulted everybody, insulted Abu Father, insulted everybody until they had to sack the husband. They were staying Gopi at the mission house. And for them to move from the mission house, it was an eviction. The red ants removed them from that house. Nandi doesn't care. The husband is crying. The husband is so stressed, guys. They moved to Sandton. The house is beautiful. It's got a pool, everything. Man, Nandi is excited. He's telling everybody who cares to listen that this is the soft life that I'm supposed to be living. Manje, the husband, is saying, guys, I'm stressed because I don't know how long are we going to stay here in this house in Sandton. I'm already thinking about transport Yabantwana to go to school and come back. That is the money that I don't have and we don't have. Guys, the kids now. The kids, they are supposed to come back from school. There's no money for the kids, for the Uber. The Uber ones, I don't know how much. Nandi Uti, it's an amount of a bus that goes to Durban. The money for the Uber. Okay, the kids came back from school. They are happy to see the house. Nandi says she's very happy to show them the house. They ordered food. They sat around the table and eat takeaways. Nandi and the husband went to the bedroom lunch. Bayakhuluma. Nandi's telling the husband that, Pela, you are not telling me about the plans that you are making for our day-to-day living and all that. The husband is asking Nandi, how can you ask me such a question when you know very well that I'm not working and I don't have any source of income? Nandi is yelling at the husband. Nandi is telling the husband the way the husband is useless. The husband is saying, Nandi Uti, I am a sperm donor. Oh, guys, the husband is crying. Yo, guys, my heart was broken. Guys, Nandi is asking the husband, Uti, you can see that this is my last month. I have to give birth, and you are not saying anything. The husband is saying to Nandi, Nandi, you don't want to go give birth at a public hospital. Where do you expect me to get money for a private hospital? Because you know very well that I'm not working. I'm living at a mercy of other people. Nandi Utiena never, she will never go and give birth at the hospital, at the public hospital. The man must make a plan, forcing the man to make a plan. And the man says, but I don't have money. Every time when I have to do something, I have to belittle myself and call one of my friends to beg them for something. Nandi doesn't take it. Nandi Uti, you are a man, you must make a plan. Yo, guys. Mm-mm-mm. So, there was a scene where the husband was sitting outside and Nandi came. I don't know what did Nandi say to the husband. Nandi all of a sudden took a jug full of water and threw it on the husband. Just imagine. And you know what the husband says? The husband says, there's nothing that I can do as a man. I don't want to be part of the GBV. What. You understand? But guys, Nandi is abusing the husband. Nandi is rude. Nandi uhlaza. Nandi is abusing that poor husband, guys. On top of that, you can see that Nandi is the one who's falling pregnant all the time, putting burden on this poor man. Why yena angahambi ayenza Sure, guys, let me just leave it at that. My heart is broken. Yo, just to watch that. Guys, please make sure that if you haven't watched it, you must watch it. You will see ukuthi amadoda ayahlukumezwa. Yo, guys, let's meet on the other video. Thanks for the support. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share. Bye.